In this video, I will show you how to properly install QEMU KVM on Linux. KVM is a Type 1 hypervisor, also known as bare metal hypervisor, which works directly with the machine's hardware. The KVM enables full virtualization, allowing you to run virtual machines on Linux at near native speeds. To run virtual machines on Linux using KVM, your CPU must support the hardware virtualization. You can check this by typing this command inside a terminal. If your processor supports it, you should see either virt-X for Intel CPUs or AMD-V for AMD CPUs as output. Since I'm using AMD processor, I get AMD-V. For Intel processors, it should display virt-X. If nothing appears, you may need to enable hardware virtualization in your BIOS settings. Next, ensure that your kernel includes KVM modules. For Arch Linux, you can run this command. For other distros, you can type this command. The output should indicate that KVM is set to either yes or M. If both steps are successful, we can proceed with the KVM installation. Then go ahead and update your system. Since I'm using Arch-based distribution, I will type this command to perform full system upgrade. Once that's complete, Arch users need to install our helper named Yay. Now other Linux users can skip to the next section. To set up Yay on Arch, first install the dependencies. Then go ahead and clone the Yay repository. Then navigate to this directory. Then go ahead and run this command to build and install our helper. Once Yay is set up, it's time to install QEMU, libvirt, virt-manager, and other KVM dependencies. On Arch, I'm going to type this command to set up QEMU and virt-manager. Then install tuned using Yay, which is a system tuning service for optimizing system performance, especially for hypervisors. Once installed, enable the libvirt daemon by running this command. Then run this command to start libvirt daemon. It's time to optimize the KVM using tuned that helps adjust settings on Linux. It offers several preset profiles, each designed to improve performance for different types of tasks, like using a lot of CPU power, improving storage and network speed, or saving energy. Just go ahead and type this command to enable tuned. Then type this command to find out the active tuned profile. Now by default, the profile may be set to balanced, which isn't ideal for running the virtual machines. To see available profiles, run this command. Then set the profile to virtual host to optimize the host by running KVM virtual machines. Once it's done, restart your PC to take effect. And finally, we need to configure a network bridge. By default, all virtual machines are connected to NAT network named default. You can run this command to find out. On Debian or Arch, the default network state may be inactive with autostart disabled. To activate, run these two commands. And that's it. We have successfully installed and configured KVM on Linux. Now you can use virt-manager to start creating virtual machines. Now, as you can see, I have installed Windows 11 24H2 on a virtual machine with KVM and enabled 3D acceleration. It runs beautifully on Linux, providing near native performance. Now, stay tuned for the next video where I will be installing Windows 11 with 3D acceleration using KVM. And that's pretty much it. This is how you properly install KVM in Linux in 2024. If you have any questions or queries, do post them in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.